Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you watched our last video, we posted an introduction to what we do here at Chrome Tech. And today we're going to be talking about cybersecurity for beginners in 2026. Start from zero. Now, if you're a beginner in 2026 and you're like, what is even cybersecurity? I keep hearing cybersecurity everywhere. Then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to explain cybersecurity in a very simple way, no complex terms, no coding knowledge required. Even if you're starting from zero in 2026, this video gives you a foundation in cybersecurity. But before we dive in, like and subscribe to this channel. First things first, what exactly is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity simply means protecting your digital life. That includes your phone, your laptop, your email, your social media accounts, your bank apps, and any data you store online. Today, almost everything we do is connected to the internet. We work online, we communicate online, we make payments online, and we store personal information online. Cybersecurity exists to make sure this information stays safe from people who want to misuse it. So when you hear the word cybersecurity, just think online protection. Cybersecurity is more important now than ever. Today, cyber attacks don't only target big companies or governments. Regular people are attacked every day through their phones, emails, social media, and online accounts. So even if you think you don't have money or important assets, attackers can still use your information, your identity, or your accounts to get what they wanted. That's why cybersecurity matters to everyone. Fake emails, scam messages, hacked social media accounts, stolen bank details, these things are very common now. The reason is simple. More people are online, and attackers follow where people are. That's why understanding cybersecurity is no longer optional. If you use the internet, cybersecurity should concern you. Now let's talk about some basic threats you should know as a beginner. I am just going to talk about them briefly. Number one is malware. Malware is software designed to harm your device or steal information. This includes viruses, spyware, and ransomware. Ransomware locks your files and asks you to pay money to get them back. I am very sure most of us have heard story about this. Number two is phishing. Phishing is one of the most common attacks in 2026. This is when attackers send fake emails or messages pretending to be real companies. Their goal is to trick you into giving your password or personal details. This happens a lot in many organizations. Number three is weak password attacks. Many people still use weak passwords. Hackers use automated tools to guess passwords very quickly. And number four is public Wi-Fi risks. Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecured. Attackers can spy on data if you're not careful. Many people get excited when they see free Wi-Fi. But attackers love unsecured networks because they can watch what you do, steal passwords, and capture personal information. Now let me tell you 3 core concepts every beginner in cybersecurity needs to know. Keep them at the back of your mind because they hold cybersecurity together. These 3 concepts are called the CIA triad. CIA stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality means only the right people can see your information. For example, your WhatsApp messages or bank app should only be visible to you, not hackers or strangers on public Wi-Fi. Integrity means your information stays correct and unchanged. For example, if someone changes your bank balance or edits your exam score without permission, integrity is broken. Availability means you can access your information when you need it. For example, if a website goes down because of an attack and you can't log in, availability is lost. You should know that these 3 concepts are very important because they help you narrow down and understand cybersecurity as a whole. So let's talk about cybersecurity as a career in 2026. If you're watching this because you're interested in cybersecurity as a career, you're on the right path. Cybersecurity is one of the most in-demand skills in 2026. Companies need professionals who understand security fundamentals, monitoring, and threat prevention. The key is starting with the basics, and that's exactly what this video does. Stick with us because we'll be releasing more videos showing you how to become a cybersecurity professional without unnecessary hassle. If you're serious about learning cybersecurity, start slow. Focus on understanding how the internet works, how systems communicate, and how attackers think. To protect something effectively, you first need to understand how the problem was created in the first place. Cybersecurity is a long-term skill, and consistency matters more than speed. If this video helped you understand cybersecurity as a beginner in 2026, make sure to subscribe to Chrome Tech. Share, comment, and like this video. The support will go a long way. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. The links are in the description. And visit our website for cybersecurity assessments and to learn more about us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.